Hey Siri, what's my name?
You sound like Linda Lee.
I don't know why I do this to myself. The Apple HomePod Mini is getting released today, so I have been waiting to pre-order it. Now I'm desperately rushing around for time. Okay, I'm kind of ready. I've never pre-ordered something from one of Apple's releases before, so I don't know, is this normal that their website's not open like exactly at 8 a.m.? Like it's 5 a.m. PST, but it's 8 a.m. EST, which is what I had to wait for. So like, is that normal that it's not open right away? I have to leave for work. That's why I'm like, ah! So I got to pre-order my HomePod Mini, which is cool. I did notice in checkout though, it said that the delivery will be between November 18th and 20th. But if you go to the actual website, it says that you can pick it up in store on November 16th. So I guess I'm kind of getting a delayed order, even though it's pre-ordered, but it's also getting delivered to my home. So I guess that's fine. It looks like I'm gonna be waiting till at least the 18th to get it. And hopefully I'm here too. I don't even know if I'm working. I think I'm working. That sucks. Speaking of work though, I gotta go because I need to leave for work. I'm supposed to have 3 breaks while I am at work, and I just finished my lunch break, but I just got a delivery notification from UPS saying that my package was delivered, and that is the HomePod, so I have to go home to grab it right now. I guess I'm just not gonna take my 3rd break later today, which sucks, but I don't want the package being left outside of my house. What's up guys? Welcome back to another video of me sometimes being a tech YouTuber. Should cover up this stuff. Today I'm unboxing the HomePod Mini. Got my handy dandy knife here. Don't do this at home. I don't think this is actually even necessary, but we're gonna do it anyways. Is that how you open it? How do you open the box? I think this little tab here means that I was supposed to pull here. Let's try again. That makes more sense. Got it. So here it is, the HomePod Mini. I did get it in white. Let's open this thing. Don't do this with a knife. This is very unnecessary. Okay. It fits in the palm of my hand. So what's left inside of the box? We have this little tab. Oh, we've got a brick. So I'm confused. In my last video, I said that Apple's pretty much not going to be including these type of chargers in the boxes anymore because they were trying to be 100% carbon neutral by 2030. So I thought this was part of their initiative to not have more landfill waste. This is the USB-C port here. And then left, we have a bunch of instructions. Bonjour. Well, this is in French. I don't read French. I mean, I can, but no. Ta-da, ta-da. And one Apple sticker. I've purchased every other Apple product known to man, except when the HomePod came out, the original one. I didn't feel like investing, I think it was $500-600 somewhere, like in Canadian, onto a speaker. And I think the only thing the HomePod had going for it at the time was that the quality of the sound was unmatchable to anything else on the market at the time. I can't speak for that now. Function-wise and smart capability-wise, it didn't compare to Alexa or any of the Google assistants. MKBHD here on YouTube actually made a really great video where he called the HomePod the dumbest smart speaker. I was really intrigued about the speaker, but I wasn't willing to dish out all the money because I didn't purchase the original HomePod. I didn't follow anything to do with updates. I didn't really watch any unboxings. I didn't really care for it. But now we have this one. $129 Canadian, $99 American. It's nice. It feels nice. It's a nice mesh on the outside. It feels very nice and firm. Like it's a good quality speaker. It's not obtrusive. It's not ugly. I feel like I can place this anywhere and it looks nice. The only thing I don't like about this already is that we still have a wired connection to the wall. This is not a portable speaker. I wish it was. Well, it's a nice length cable. Look at me holding this by the cable. Don't do that. I shouldn't be doing that. Well, I just unplugged my carbon monoxide detector to plug this in. Oh! Did you hear that? What I do like so far though is that it does look like I can fit this pretty much anywhere, and it does fit into like any type of home decor, whether you have the white one or the black one. So this is nice. It's not obnoxiously some weird size. It's like a nice cute little ball. Let's just readjust camera angles. Can we see this? Can we see this alien type light illuminating? I don't know. Just looks nice. Just looks cool. Can the HomePod connect to multiple devices? Of course, by the time I have time to film, there's stuff going on upstairs. Everyone in the building is getting new high efficiency toilets today. So I actually... So is it connected? I can't tell. Hey Siri? No, wrong Siri.
Sorry about that.
No problem, iPad Siri. That's not who I need though. I don't understand. What am I missing here? Do something. Go. What's this magical thing? Oh my gosh.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri, let's get started." Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
Just a moment. I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, play some music.
One moment.
The quality of the sound is actually pretty good, even just the voice of Siri.
All right. Here's some music picked just for you.
Sorry, starting again. All right, here's some music picked just for you.
Who are you? I'm really confused about what's going on right now. Okay, so this is what I was currently listening to, so I wonder if I just do this. Dining room, because that's the HomePod. What I've noticed so far from this, I just turned the volume up and down and there's a bit of a time lag. It's not as seamless as I thought it would be. Hey Siri, turn the volume way down. Hey Siri, what's the news today?
Here's the latest news from CBC.
From CBC News, The World This Hour, I'm Blake Prendergast. Pfizer says it has now completed phase 3 trials of it. Earlier this week, Moderna all...
Oh, what was that? Why did you...
announced early data suggesting its vaccine was about 95% effective.
It switched it over!
It's time to take a stand.
Can I switch it back?
A 2-week lockdown.
to effect this morning. Outbreaks in 3 communities are continuing to spread with the
Hey, Siri,
last
turn
24
off.
hours, bringing the total number...
That is so cool. I didn't know you could do that. The amazement that I have right now. Would this connect to my Audible account? Hey Siri, play my recent Audible book.
Sorry, I can't play audiobooks on HomePod.
What? That's stupid. Kind of disappointed actually. Hey Siri, what's on my calendar for today?
You have one appointment, Maria's 33rd birthday.
Oh my god, I have to text her. I'm the worst. Hey Siri, what's my upcoming week looking like?
You have 6 appointments. On Monday at 7 o'clock, clinical placement, CMH.
Yay. What time do I have to be at the COVID assessment center?
You have 3 appointments. On Friday at 8:30, COVID Assessment Centre. On Saturday at 8:30, COVID Assessment Centre. And on Sunday at 8:30, COVID Assessment Centre.
Thanks. I'm working all weekend at the COVID assessment center. Hey Siri, tell me a funny joke.
A man went to the doctor and said, "Doc, I broke my arm in 12 places." The doctor replied, "Well, stop going to those places then."
Okay. Well, Siri's not one for jokes. Hey Siri, what else can you tell me?
That's not nice.
What? So earlier you guys heard me ask Siri if it could play my recent Audible book. He told me no, that's disappointing. But if I play the Audible book on my phone and I transfer it over here, like I either play it through Bluetooth over here, or if I just do like the touchy thing that you guys see me do the handoff, it will play. So it's actually still playing in the background now, even though I am recording on my phone and it's playing from my phone. So I'm not entirely sure how that works.
This was the only answer? All the energy goes to this.
So it's interesting because there's actually a little bit of a delay when I'm speaking my command to the HomePod compared to when it actually registers the command. It's not anything too crazy, but it's enough for me to notice it. I feel like I just paid $150 for like a really great sounding tiny speaker, but at the same time, it still does next to nothing. So maybe get back to me in about a month or 2 and I can give you guys an update on what's going on with this. I do know for a fact that the more involved you are into Apple's ecosystem, being iPhones, iPads, MacBooks, AirPods, the whole 9 yards, whatever you have Apple product related, the better Siri can work for you. And they have this intercom system on here. Now, I don't have a second HomePod to be able to use this feature, but the idea is that you can speak into the intercom system. If someone else had this in another room in your home, you could basically communicate back and forth with them. Hey Siri, intercom, what's up?
Okay, intercom to everyone in my home.
Interesting that it even allows me to attempt this feature knowing that I don't have any other HomePod in the home. Like, I'm surprised it didn't detect that and just say no. Hey Siri, how does the HomePod intercom system work?
Okay, I found this on the web for how do you spell home.
This is going to be an issue, and this is already something that I've noticed as an issue, HomePod aside. The more Apple products that you have, and if they're all kind of laying around you, if they've all got voice detection on, or if you're just saying hey Siri in general, one of the products seems to pick up something else when I'm not speaking directly to that product. It would be interesting to see if hey Siri on the HomePod will, he's lighting up right now, will pick up on what I'm saying. Hey Siri, what's the weather like outside? See? Like this one just went off here.
It's currently partly cloudy and 1 degree.
I didn't ask for this one. Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 seconds.
10 seconds, starting now.
Sounds really nice. Even just, hey Siri, turn the alarm off please, or timer, whatever it is. The audio quality is actually still very nice for such a tiny little product. I'm very impressed by this. You know what I am excited for? My daughter to come home from school. She is gonna have a field day with this. She talks to our Google Assistant already like it's her friend. This new generation, there'll be something else. Hey Siri, make a note. I'm going to review you in 1 to 2 months and let the world know how we're doing. Our relationship here.
Okay, I created a note. It says I'm going to review you in 1 to 2 months and let the world know how we're doing our relationship here.
Hey Siri, what song is this?
This is called Don't Pretend, featuring Safe by Khalid.
Hey Siri, find my iPad.
It's nearby, pinging Linda Lee's iPad.
That can be handy because I frequently misplace my phone within my own home sometimes, so this actually might be of use to me. Okay, there's one more feature I need to try out. Just, hey Siri, turn on my Apple TV. Okay, it worked. Check out this video here, guys. This is my Apple Watch unboxing and first impressions, the Series 6 from a nurse perspective. Overall first impressions, I like this speaker. Is it worth the $145? That's tax included. Yeah, if you've got the extra cash laying around. I mean, this is really, really great audio quality compared to a lot of other speakers that I've ever heard. It's not a very smart speaker. Like, there's a lot of room for improvement with Siri. I think that's just Siri in general across all Apple products, though. It's not just singling out the HomePod. I am very happy with this though. Wow, that was upside down. Good job, Linda Lee.